Have you ever gazed into a mirror and pondered why your eyes reflect the same captivating shade as your mother's? This phenomenon, where traits are passed down from one generation to the next, is known as heredity. Heredity is the reason why offspring inherit specific characteristics from their parents, creating a captivating tapestry of family resemblances. These traits are not merely superficial resemblances, but are in essence, instructions encoded within our very cells. Eye color, hair texture, and even our predisposition to certain diseases are all examples of these inherited traits. These traits are passed down through generations, carried by tiny units of heredity known as genes. Just as a blueprint guides the construction of a building, genes serve as the blueprint for life itself, dictating the characteristics that make us who we are. The study of heredity, a field known as genetics, has revolutionized our understanding of life itself. At the heart of this scientific revolution lies the pioneering work of Gregor Mendel, whose experiments with pea plants laid the foundation for modern genetics. So let's dive into the differences between acquired and inherited traits. Inherited traits are passed down from parents to offspring through genes, including things like eye color, blood type, and certain genetic disorders. On the other hand, acquired traits are not inherited, but developed over time due to environmental factors or personal experiences. For example, learning to play a musical instrument or developing a suntan are acquired traits. Understanding the distinction between these types of traits helps us appreciate how both our genetics and our environment shape who we are. Now let's talk about genes, DNA, and genetic variation. Genes are segments of DNA that carry the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that holds our genetic information. Genetic variation is the diversity in gene frequencies, and it can occur due to mutations, gene flow, or sexual reproduction. This variation is crucial for the survival and evolution of species, as it allows populations to adapt to changing environments. In conclusion, heredity is a complex and fascinating process that involves the transmission of genetic information from parents to offspring. By understanding the roles of acquired and inherited traits, as well as the basics of genes, DNA, and genetic variation, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life. Whether it's the color of our eyes or our ability to learn new skills, heredity plays a fundamental role in shaping who we are. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of genetics.